Pathogens' journey through the body. Let's look at the journey pathogens could take when they infect our bodies. If we accidentally got a cut on our arm, pathogens could enter our bodies and cause an infection. Our skin will try to prevent any pathogens entering the body by forming a scab, but sometimes some will get in before the scab forms. Lymphocytes are white blood cells which can detect which organisms in the body are not naturally occurring, i.e., the invading pathogens. Pathogens have proteins on their surface which are called antigens. Pathogens which cause different diseases have different antigens on their surfaces. The lymphocytes will detect the antigens on the pathogens. The lymphocytes will now produce antibodies. The antibodies will stick to the antigens on the pathogens and then group pathogens together. With the pathogens grouped together, they are easier for another type of white blood cell to engulf them. These cells are called phagocytes. The phagocyte will attach itself to the pathogen and engulf it. Enzymes will break down the pathogen inside the phagocyte, and our pathogen is now destroyed. The end.